What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to solve this trigonometric equation, which is cosine squared theta minus root 3 over 2 cosine theta equals to 0. And theta is between 0 and 2 pi. I want to solve this trigonometric equation. So if I basically factor it, I'm gonna have cosine theta times cosine theta minus root 3 over 2 equals to 0. So basically we have two scenarios after that, either cosine theta equals to 0 or cosine theta minus root 3 over 2 equals to 0. So cosine theta equals to root 3 over 2. Then theta will be pi over 6 and 2 pi minus pi over 6. And cosine theta equals to 0, theta will be equal to pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. So when theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So we have basically four answers. One is going to be pi over 6. This is the smallest one. Then we have pi over 2. Then we have 3 pi over 2, and then we have 2 pi minus pi over 6. 2 pi is going to be 12 pi over 6. 12 pi minus pi is going to be 11 pi over 6. So basically, these are going to be the four answers to this equation. So remember, you need to be careful about this range here from 0 to 2 pi. If it was something else, the answers or the number of answers might be different. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding solving trigonometric equations, verifying trigonometric identities, and lots of other videos regarding other topics in math, calculus, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.